I made it. Here's my hotel room. I'm staying at the Marriott Grand across from the convention center. I have one big king bed. There's my luggage. Here is the TV. I think there's a fridge. Oh, good, because I brought my little snack box. Oh, I didn't finish eating it, so I should put it in there. Turn it up a little desk. But my phone died on the plane, so I worked the whole time because I didn't have anything better to do. So I wrote my speech for my presentation tomorrow. Bathroom, shower, nothing fancy. I asked for a room away from the elevator because sometimes the dinging of the opening the doors wakes me up at night. When I tell you that this room is so far from the elevator, it's like in another hotel. It's so far, it's like a little maze that I had to walk through to get down here. So I'm not gonna unpack just yet because I have boxes downstairs and I need to retrieve them. And I'm gonna do that. And then I have an hour before I need to work. I bought a salad at the airport and I'm gonna eat that. Yeah, that's my plan, Stan. I'll see you guys later. You guys, I have to go downstairs, but we're gonna discuss this when I come back. This reusable water bottle. We're gonna discuss this. So glamorous. Oh, gotta go. Fun times today. I get to figure out how to get out of this hotel and walk across the street to the convention center because we are only here for one day. And then we're at the convention center tomorrow. And I have a booth there in the morning, and then I give a little speech, and then I think that's all of my responsibilities. Okay, I made it. Left my stuff back there. And let me just show you these steps that I just carried that heavy ass box up, because this is why I always wear tennis shoes on the first day of the convention, because when I tell you you're gonna get your steps in, you're gonna get your steps in, okay? Okay, I'm done with work for today. I went to the grocery store to get a gift card that we're supposed to be raffling off. And I remember that St. Louis has, that they're big on house-made sodas. Last time I was here, I went to this restaurant. The food was garbage. When I tell you so gross, I remember I ordered pancakes and the center of them still had like wet batter in it. However, that restaurant had a fountain soda machine and all the sodas were house made. So I do remember that. So when I was in the grocery store, I got a bunch of the grocery store's brand sodas. I went to Schnucks, that's the name of the grocery store. And I got their own brand sodas in cool flavors. Strawberry soda, red cream soda. And I try not to have caffeine, so all of these are like the caffeine-free ones. And pineapple soda. Doesn't that sound so good? And then the person at the front desk, completely unprompted, told me that I needed to go to this place called Sauce on the Side and get a calzone. And who am I to ignore the recommendations of the staff? So I'm having a calzone purely for research purposes, of course. I know that you guys probably think that I don't record everything that I do because I don't show very much, but like, I don't do much. I fully embrace the fact that you don't have to be busy just because you're out of town. I learned that as a flight attendant. Like, sometimes, first of all, you have so many layovers, like after a while they don't feel special. They just feel like work. You're at work. It's like going to your office, where your office happens to be a hotel. Sorry, I'm looking for something. Where your office happens to be a hotel in another city. But yeah, a lot of times I just work at the booth or give a speech. I go get food and then I sit in my hotel room and eat it, which is what I just did. So the calzone was delicious, by the way. I got today's special, which was cheeseburger, and it had this like delicious aioli, and it was pretty fresh. And the bread alone in the calzone was delicious. But anyway, I say all that to say that I'm done for the day. It's 7:30, 7:45, and I have to start work at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So I'm gonna take a melatonin. I ate my calzone already, I ate half of it, and had half of a strawberry soda, so like the world's most unhealthy dinner. And now I'm gonna Lysol everything, because I didn't get a chance to do that when I got in here. Because I went right to work. Gonna set up all my toiletries. And I'm going to take a melatonin and let Calgon take me away. I'm gonna go to bed, I'm gonna watch TV, and that's it. That's my big plans tonight, and I can't wait. But I was looking for my Clorox disinfecting so I can go spray down every surface in this room. Yeah. I forgot we were going to talk about this. So I came in and I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so nice. They give you, instead of leaving water that you have to pay $5 for, they give you this nice like plastic reusable bottle. And I was like, oh my gosh, so nice. Together we can reduce single-use waste. You can refill this at the following areas. Thank you, blah, blah, blah. Small print. If you use this bottle, $15 plus tax will be charged to your bill. Yeah. Gotta read. I guess this one's more straightforward because it says purchase your reusable bottle. But it seems like, you know, they're giving you this one. Ain't nothing free. But I did get this path water at the Salamander Hotel. And they have a bunch of refillable stations there. So I just take this on my trips and I refill it. And then at the booth, they did give me, like the booth I worked today, the union gave me a plastic bottle of water, which I took. Good morning. It's like 6 a.m. Hi. It's like 6 a.m. I have to be across the street in an hour, so let's get this going. Guys, I started editing this vlog last night and it's already like 45 minutes and we still have a day and a half to go. Do you guys like long vlogs? Also, by this point, have you already skipped out of the video because it was too long? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to take out, but leave me a comment below. All right, this is the outfit of the day. I'll show you in the mirror. Today I'm gonna sit at the booth and answer questions for a few hours and then give a speech on the stage. And I think maybe we're gonna raffle off the gift card that I bought at the grocery store yesterday. But that is the plan. And then my coworker's coming in sometime today and I'm dragging him to spaghetti dinner with me. All right, so for the people that have it, that's great. You're already eligible for all of these hardship benefits. And I just want you to think about that. If members come to you and say that they've fallen on hard times, check with them and make sure that they maybe are enrolled in one of these programs. All right, and just overall, we want you to use these benefits to save money, obviously, on the things that you do every day, stretch your paycheck a little further, but we also want you to remember us when you're organizing. All right, it's my coworker and I are here at City Museum. We're going to go to dinner because we were overlapping for 24 hours, but we weren't hungry yet, so we found this place. It's so cool. He's about to go down the slide. Let's see if I can show you.
What a view! I'm excited to try this cheese.
Good morning. It's the last day of my trip to St. Louis. I've been up for a few hours just like scrolling the internet. I took a shower, I started packing, and now I am rushing to the airport because I really need to be out of this room in like 6 minutes. Don't know if that's gonna happen, but I think I have enough of a buffer. Like I have like a 30-minute buffer before I really need to leave. But anyway, yesterday was so much fun. I overlapped with my coworker for 24 hours and he finished at 3, I finished at 4. And so we were in the same building doing, 2 different conferences. So he came over and sat for the last hour and watched my presentation. And then we went to a really cool museum here in St. Louis called the City Museum. I took a bunch of footage of that. And then we went to the old spaghetti factory, which my friend recommended. And that did not disappoint. So I will show you that, but for now, I've got to go. How cute was that Ebony magazine newsstand? Why don't more magazines have their own like bookstore in the airport? That's so smart. I will say I don't think Ebony magazine is still in publication and there were none for sale in there.